This remote learning initiative by Sit Vidya Mandir English High School, Basay East. I am Rita Palo, your science teacher, and today we will do reteaching of the lesson number 10, Motion and Measurement of Distance. We use many different modes of transport. Like nowadays, people go in bus, they have their own vehicles, their cars, they go on scooty, or they go by public transport like trains and planes from one place to another. The earliest mode of transport were quite slow. The modern ones are very fast. Very in the ancient period, the transport systems were very slow because they used to take animals, ride on the animal's back, camel, horse, bullock. So the rides were very slow, and the modern vehicles are very fast. In the olden days, parts were used as unit of measurement. Body parts were used as unit of measurement. Thus, we were not accurately as the length of a step. We have seen before also that as we are using the body parts, different person's body part length will be different. So we will not get the accurate measurement. The width of a finger on the length of the arm different from person to person. So for uniformly international system of unit, that is the SI unit, was adopted by countries all over the world so that everybody will follow only the same standard unit all over the world, that is the meter, centimeter, the scale which we are using nowadays. In ancient times, people used length of a foot, the width of the finger, the distance of a step as unit of measurement. This caused confusion and a need to develop a uniform standard of measurement. The system of units now used is known as International System of Unit. The SI unit of length is meter. The standard unit of length is meter. We use various types of measuring devices such as meter scale and measuring tape also. Correct meter scale should be used for measuring. Whenever we are measuring anything, we should use a correct meter scale. Nowadays we have small scale also and big scale also. Small scale is having 15 centimeter and big scale is having till 30 centimeter. Curved surface can be measured with the help of a thread. If any surface is curved, we cannot use scale there because scale is straightforward and we cannot bend scale. So if we want to measure a curved surface, we can use a thread and then we can measure it. The object which changes its position with reference to any object is said to be in motion. The object which does not change its position with time with reference to any object is called to be rest. A moving object is known as in motion and the object which does not move is known as in rest. During linear motion, object changes its position along a straight line. Linear motion means object is moving in a straight line. If an object repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time, it is called periodic motion. If the object is moving and it is coming to its original place and again it is moving from that, so that is known as periodic motion. To and fro movement of an object about a point is called oscillatory motion. The zigzag motion of an object in any direction is called random motion. If the motion is not straight and it is in zigzag form, like we have seen the example of ants. If we take a paper and on that we put some sugar to the ant, they go on eating the sugar. So that motion was random motion because they are not going in a proper line, they are going zigzag form. When a body moves along a straight line, the motion described by the body is called rectilinear motion. When it is going in a straight line, it is known as a rectilinear motion. The motion of a ball on a ground shows a combination of different type of motion. Like the ball is rolling, so it is rolling, it rotates as well as it moves forward on the ground. So thus rolling ball shows rectilinear motion also as well as circular motion also. So two motions in one object can also be observed.